The world is now warming faster than ever before. Warmer temperatures over time are changing weather patterns and disrupting the usual balance of nature. Over the last 10 years, the global carbon impact has increased by 60%. Here's how we are playing our part.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Shah.
I'm Hafsa.
I'm Ayan.
And I'm Aisha, and we're making a carbon footprint calculator in collaboration with HPL.
In a third world country such as Pakistan, global warming has devastating effects. The concept of carbon footprint, global warming, and climate change is completely non existent within the Pakistani community.
According to a study published by Springer, people routinely misunderstand or underestimate the carbon footprint of their actions. Things like carbon calculators or simple explanations of how different actions impact the planet make it easier for people to understand and make better choices. Greater awareness of both the effects and causes of climate change tends to correlate with more informed public behavior around climate change and the environment. Pakistan is already grappling with climate change and its profound effects, things like shifting weather patterns and catastrophic floods, with these changes only expected to escalate with time. This underscores the need to address climate change and make more informed public behavior.
Hence, we've created this carbon footprint calculator that will educate users on their impact on the environment and make them more aware of conscious choices they can make to play their part in preserving the planet. We realize that it can be challenging to consistently engage in activities that are mundane or boring. That's why we've gamified the experience, making it exciting and rewarding for HPL employees to track and reduce their carbon footprint. By turning environmental responsibility into a fun and interactive journey, we aim to inspire lasting change in behavior and promote a greener lifestyle.
Our calculator is specific to the Pakistani context, which means that the questions we present to the user are tailored towards Pakistani realities. Whether you're using a rickshaw, using public transportation, using gas to cook, or participating in water conservation or recycling in Pakistan, our calculator has you covered. We gather data from sources such as SUI Gas, K Electric, the Ministry of Energy, and other habits and infrastructures unique to the Pakistani reality that allow us to make an accurate estimation of what your carbon footprint is. Results will then be presented to the user in a manner that is actionable and will engage the users and make them more conscious of the decisions they make and how they impact the environment. The last thing that we want to do is burden our employees with another form that they have to fill. Hence, our calculator is split up into 3 different versions, each with its own gamification strategy, and we will be performing an analysis on which of these strategies was more appealing to users and brought more users back towards the calculator. The first strategy is that of a shop and coin system, in which users will be able to earn coins based on their regular usage of the calculator, and they will be able to spend these coins in a shop where they can purchase rewards such as tea, coffee, pen, notebook, or even a bag, things of that nature. The second strategy is that of a leaderboard, where users will compete with other employees to earn a higher position on the leaderboard based on their reduction in carbon emissions as well as regular usage of the calculator. The third strategy is that of badges. Users will be able to earn unique badges, each with their own tier, and they will be able to earn these badges based on their regular usage of the form as well as reduction in emissions of specific categories. These 3 versions will allow us to analyze which one was more appealing to users, and based on user retention rate as well as frequency of usage of the forms, we will be able to see which of these strategies was more appealing and brought more users back.
Because the system provides incentives to users who reduce their carbon footprint, we want to make sure that no one misuses the rewarding system. For that, we have developed a robust system in Python to ensure the integrity of the data entered by the users. For this, we use k-means clustering for pattern recognition and the isolation forest algorithm for outlier detection to identify and flag any anomalies in the data entered by the users. This ensures the accuracy and reliability of our calculation.
Now let's talk about our tech stack. For the front end, we're using Next.js. This is due to a number of reasons. Firstly, it uses TypeScript. Secondly, it has server-side rendering capabilities. And thirdly, we can easily route all the API calls to and from it. For the back end, we're using MongoDB as our database of choice. And to manage data between all of them, we're using Prisma as our chosen ORM.
Through this calculator, learn how your decisions impact the planet.
Take responsibility for the future of our Earth and play your part in keeping the environment green for the generations to come. Act now.